Okay, let's continue exploring our accessories. Okay, now remember that I'm using the right click to begin, and then we click on all apps. We need to scroll to the right hand side because this is all the applications installed on my computer. When we get to the Windows accessories, okay, I'm gonna get to the snipping tool. Okay, once we click into the snipping tool is just gonna open this window. Let's say that I wanna take a screenshot of my whole screen right here. Okay, what I'm gonna do, see, is gonna click on new. When I click on new, your screen is just gonna be cloudy. Okay, now I'm gonna try to get this guy out of the way because, like I said, I'm gonna basically draw. Okay, let's go ahead and take a picture of just of this flower. Okay, so when you guys click on new, see, like I said before, the screen is just gonna be cloudy. Your pointer is gonna become this plus sign. Why a plus sign? Because that's gonna help us when we left click, hold, and drag. We're gonna be selecting, see, where we wanna take the screenshot from. And there it goes. There's my screenshot. Okay. If I click on file, save as, I'm gonna send this to my desktop. I'm just gonna type in desktop and then save. Okay. Now I'm gonna click on file and exit. So here's my screenshot. Okay, like I said, when I double click, this is gonna open with my default program. Come back to the desktop. When I open that picture with the screenshot with a different program, so anytime that you guys want to open, okay, and see what other options we have, right click into that icon and go down to open with. Okay, and again, I'm gonna use the Windows photo view, and there's the screenshot. Okay, so the snipping tool is very useful. Okay, let's say that I'm gonna open my Word. Okay, a Word document. Now let's say that I'm gonna be using my Internet Explorer. I'm gonna go to Google Maps. Okay, Google Maps. Okay, now right here I'm just gonna type in the address of the school. Okay, so there we are. Okay, so right here we have a map. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Let's say that I want to get a screenshot. Okay, see, this is a freeway. Here's Pomona Boulevard. Here's the location of the school. So if I want to take a screenshot of this, okay, map and include it into my Word document, I could just go ahead and use my snipping. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the start screen and I'm just gonna type in snipping SNI and here's my snipping tool. When I click on, it's just gonna open the windows right here. Okay, I'm gonna move it out of the way. I'm gonna click on new. And then again, I'm gonna have the plus sign and let's say that I want to start here. Left click, hold, drag it down to the side and I'm gonna get the screenshot that I'm gonna use. Okay, from here we could do a, we could edit this a little bit. Okay, we have a pen and let's say that I want to use a red pen because I just want to draw something here. Okay, I could also highlight it. Okay, but when I highlight the freeway here, there you go. Okay, there's an eraser. Okay, as well. Okay, I'm gonna come back to the pen. And I'm just gonna draw a circle here. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm gonna use file, I'm not gonna save this, I'm sorry. Just gonna click on copy. I'm gonna come back to my Word document and I'm gonna paste this right here. And there's my map. There's my map included into my Microsoft Word document. Okay, and from there, all I need to do is just, you know, apply the other information. Okay, welcome to IC. Enter, enter. Friday will be at this location. Okay, I'm just gonna draw something here real quick. And something that is gonna point to the location. Okay, so there's a snipping tool. Okay, and again, start. You can right click, open all apps, scroll to the right hand side, look for Windows accessories, and here's the snipping tool. Okay, one click and it's gonna open. Or into the start screen, just type in snip. If you guys right click, you guys can also pin this to start, or pin this to the text. Okay. You can scroll to the right hand side because before I also pin another program. Okay. I'm gonna come back to the desktop now. Okay, I'm gonna close that. I don't wanna save this. I'm gonna close the snipping. I'm gonna be prompt. Do you wanna save this? No, I don't wanna save that. And I'm gonna close my Internet Explorer. Okay, now the snipping is just gonna be displayed here. When I click, select new, and then I could just go here and keep working. Okay, to unpin that, right click, unpin, and there we go. So that's the snipping tool on Windows 8. Bye bye.